Hi, this is Steve. I'm going to go ahead and do a quick demonstration of how to tie a domain name to your, your web server. I'm going to start off by, first of all, I already got my domain purchased and got my junk in here, just default GoDaddy stuff. Alright, I'm going to go and log into our web server. I'm going to use the same server that I use for my other site. I'm going to go in here, log into the site. Alright. Now what I need to do is I need to assign myself a new IP address because that's where I'm going to be pointing it. So I'm going to go into the IPs, the connections. Here's my local. This server only has a web connection, so it's a WAN IP. And if I go into my protocols, go in here, you can see my web IP here. It's 225 at the current box. But if I go into advanced, you can see I have more IP addresses set up. Now I need to find out what IP addresses I have left here, and I can't really remember that. I know I had a piece of paper that had all the junk on there. That tablet got taken. What was the last one I did? Let's do a quick ping, see if we can find a system. Maybe I can find one that's open. 229 is dead. 228 is dead. 227 is dead. 226 is available, so 226 is right after that. So 227 is available. So that's what I'm going to do here. 227. Crap, I hate when they do all this. I think that's my mask. Yeah. Alright. It's there. Go into my deal. Close this, close this. Alright, IP address done. Now what we need to do is actually put in our information. I like going to the iNet pub folder and just creating my new website here. I think I spelled it correctly. I hope I did. Alright, that's going to be where I'm going to have my site stored. So now I'm going to go into my Internet Information Service, the IIS. I already have it here on a link, so I'm going to just click it, open it up. There's a web server. Open up the different servers on here, go to websites. I already have servers here. I have a few of them. I'm going to go ahead and just add a new one. Run the wizard. This will be my IT simulate. Copy that just in case I need it later. Okay, the site 227, port 80 is default. I don't really care about the header, the path. I'm going to set that up to where I came from, which is iNet pub and IT simulate. Next, I'm going to run PHP and stuff like that. We don't need to execute. No, that should be all we need for now. Alright, so IT simulate already has it now, and that should also create the permissions. So now if I ever go to that IP address, it will take me to IT simulate. A few things I want to set up is FTP site for it. So I'm going to go in here, create a new FTP site. This is so people can get access straight into that site, and this will be the same thing. There we go, copy and paste. And I want for 227, 421. It's going to go here. User the home directory, isolate users home directory with this root directory of the site. That's fine. And path. Just path it to the same place. So if someone logs in, there they are. And they have full permissions for FTP site. Okay. Now the thing with that is there's no way they can log into the site unless they know the administrator account name. So later on I have to create accounts and users for it. So I'm going to go and close this out, and there we go. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and log off this system. Well, actually, I'm going to minimize this system, go back to my other one, and I'm going to see if I can access that site. Oh yeah, double click doesn't work. Oh yeah, I didn't tie it yet to my server yet, so my GoDaddy stuff. So I'm back on the web server. I'm going to go in here and grab the IP address. And there's the IP address. I'm going to hold on to that. Now I'm just going to write it down here on my side so I can see what it is. not 5, but 227. Remember that it's 227 because of down here. Alright, close this out, I don't need any of this stuff anymore. Now I'm going to go ahead and just minimize this, go back to my GoDaddy stuff, go in here and go total DNS. Okay, I'm going to want to edit the main record, which is the @ symbol, which I'm going to put my IP address now, 74. Oh crap, I hit enter. Go back, here we go. 1.1.151.227. Okay. Now by doing the update on the @ you can see that everything else is associated with the @ so www will associate itself to the same IP address. And you can see here that our POP servers are done to GoDaddy. You can see the FTP is also redirected there. If you want to have like an ICQ server or something, you can do ICQ or ICQ here, and then you can put it at the @ and it'll be going to the same place. FTP means that it's just going to send the port that way, even though it's like if you type in FTP something like with the FTP protocol, which is the FTP : / that activates the FTP protocol, and basically what it sends is the domain name will be the IP address with a colon followed by the port number, like 21, and that's how it just gets sent. Whatever, I digress. Alright, that's all I need to do there. Now I gotta wait 24 hours before this shit updates. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and minimize this. Do a quick check here. It's probably not ready, but if it is, that'd be cool. What do I do? Oops. Ping 123.it simulate. Oh, forgot to put .com. Holy shit, it's already done with the association. Alright, so it is ready to go. So now I'm just going to go ahead and open FTP connection to it. It's going to ask me for username and password, I hope. Come on. No. I'm going to assume that it probably doesn't have permissions in the folder, so I'm going to go into my folder on the web server. Go into the internet folder, find my folder, and give it some permissions. I'm going to go security, see what's in here right now. Yes, a few things missing. Alright. I always do this search here to find things. I use this for anonymous logons. This is for the web users, and there's also another one called I think that's it. See, like it says let's see, it turns into internet guest account. Yeah, that's it. Alright, those guys automatically have oh fuck that. Where's the anonymous? Here it's anonymous logins. I got read. Okay, hit okay. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and minimize this stuff. Try this again. .it. Okay, what's probably happening is that we tested the www site, so it might be that the FTP part is not actually working yet. So IT, no, it's pointing to the right place. Okay, let's try something else. Go by the IP address then, just in case it's a DNS error. Still not working. Huh, odd. Let's go DOS. O is the connection for how to connect, and then you usually put in your IP address followed by your port number. So here we want 74.81.151.227, send it to port 21. Unknown host. Let's try it again without the port. Username, there we go. password. Okay, I'm logged in. Okay. I can't remember the commands for this thing. Alright. Right now there's probably nothing in there because it's blank. We just created it. So I'm going to go inside the folder. There's nothing in there. So that's why there's nothing in there. Okay. I want to upload something. I got a CD right now of an old system. I want to upload all that junk. Oh, it's going to take me forever to do that. But, oh well. I wonder how you... Yeah, you can't upload the whole folder. Like, yeah, okay. If I remember how to do this correctly, I think it uses upload. I don't even see it on the command list there. User oh, that's right. I use get and put. So I'll be put. I'm gonna go to G drive. And what was that folder called? I doubt this is gonna work, but let's find out. Yeah. Crap! I don't remember how to do this shit. Let's close this out. Maybe we can get Windows to work. Yeah, I didn't close the connection. IT. Come on, log in. Where's that stupid login thing? Alright, I'm logged in now. Alright, here's the stuff. Here's the site. I'm just gonna grab this junk for now. How much crap is this? Blah 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 blah. Whatever, it's only a few. Oh. Basically this will start uploading into our website. If I go over to the web server now, you can see the folders I just created. There they are. So permissions are working, the site's being uploaded, and this site will be working soon. I have PHP and other stuff in there that I need to install. I got some database stuff I need to set up, but it's all started, so just a matter of time of getting all the services up and running. And I don't even know this thing's still recording. Alright, well, there you go. It's going to take 6 days for me to upload. I doubt that. I guess that's all for now, and talk to you later. Bye bye.